Well, that's the problem. It is flowing now, but I still can't push through it with my camera. So I'm going to see if I can. I'm going through the toilet right now, just so I get a little bit more torque before I actually hit the root ball. I'm going to try the chain knockers, and we'll see how that does. Golly! Oh my gosh! How am I not in the sewer yet? Look at that, eh? Nasty. And that's not even the half of it that's in there. Oh, it's 138 feet. 39, sorry, just for reference. And I made it to the drop here, the elbow, but I cannot get any farther. But it is nice and clean. A couple bellies, as you can see right there.